To do the double split, you just take your pointer, go to the icon just above the number 1, which selects all, and then you go to split, which gives you a double split. You'll see this, it's like an X. Drag this one over here, drag this one up here, click on freeze panes, and you are done.